Are you ready to ride two wheels today?
Yeah.
Are you excited? But are you nervous?
No.
Okay, give us a big grin. Oh, cute. Okay, ready? Here we go. Walk into the field. Oh, yeah. And the boys are, oh, Kayla's very impatient. And the boys waiting for their sister.
Wait, this is Winnie's first try.
Go for it. All by yourself. Go. Whitney, you're doing it! Oh my gosh! You're doing it!
Good job, Whitney.
She's doing it on her first try.
Mommy should like press stop.
First place now. It's okay.
First fall for Whitney, but she's gonna get right back up.
Good job, Jibble. Fast. Go, boys. Good job, Whitney. Eden, hurry. Oh, good job. All three of you guys are riding. Stop, Whitney.